today we are going to do project day. I have a door that swings open while I'm driving. So we're gonna fix that, and I'm gonna show you a way to make easy repairs for situations like that. Cheap and easy. Do a few projects in the van. And if you're into van life, you always have issues with things like this rattling as you're turning the corner or whatever. And this is my cheap way to fix it. I bought a belt at the thrift store for $1. I think it was like $1.99. As you can see, I've already cut it once. I've used part of this, but I bought one with lots of holes so I can use the whole belt on different projects. As you can see, this board already has a screw into it, which looks like this. So I just pre-drilled that, screwed that in there. Then I bought this little kit right here that comes with all of this goodie stuff, which is upside down. Here, we'll just do this. See if I can make a mess today. But it comes with all the tools and everything, and I think I paid like $14 for it. I will link this kit to the Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. So we're gonna get started. So this already had a hole into it. I'm going to just push this piece back in through here. Make sure that that comes through. As you can see here, it's through. And then it has another piece like this that you sit on top. Make sure that you can get some of that in there. And then this is the tool. And it's spring loaded, so you really do not need a lot of pressure. So if you have small hands or just don't have a massive grip, this, you will still be able to do it. The major thing that you want to make sure is, let me pull this back out. There's a little tiny, right there, little indentation, and you want to make sure that that gets right in the center there, because it's going to mushroom that center piece to hold this. So then you put that in here, and what I like to do, I don't know if I can get it on camera, but I like to get that in there and then just kind of squeeze it a little bit, make sure it's in there tight, make sure the bottom is connected, and then you just squeeze. And your end product is like that. So now this will snap on here. I rotate this. You take a regular screw and you put this in here. All right, so now we've got our snap here, and I'm gonna put that there. And I wanna keep it a little tight so it doesn't move around too much. And then I wanna keep this tight. And then you wanna find your place of where you want it. Now, I think I'm going to do it like right here, so it's in the middle. I know this cabinet has a square board, or square board, yeah. We're just gonna go with that. And then I'm just gonna screw this in. The screw I got is not very deep or very wide, so we're just going to screw this in. And as this gets tighter up against the wood, it should give it some tightness. And I do want it a little bit of a flux because it is a hinge, but that should be good. This way the cabinet doesn't come out. And then I'm gonna cut right here. I'm just gonna cut this section off, and then we'll just cut right here. There. Now when I need to get into this cabinet, pop off and up it goes. When I'm done, snap, and it's in place. Easy peasy. And if I forget while I'm driving, I can reach back here and just throw the snap on. Love it. So as I was showing you these, I wanted to let you know I do have other uses for this. So even though this was, I think, maybe it was $14 or $16, and I don't know what the price is. I've had these for a while. So even if they're worth 20 bucks, I tell you, it is worth it. Let me show you another thing that I have done. This is the curtain for my side window. And this is what it looks like on the outside. But here are the snaps. And I just snap it up here. I just snap it up here. And again, I've screwed the screw into here. And then, boom, there you go. Beautiful. If I want to look out the window, I can pull it down. I have a window cover in there to keep the light out right now and to insulate the window. My screen is falling down. But I just keep this up here. It's not perfect. This van is a DIY. So I have used this kit and these curtains. I have curtains in my back windows. This curtain here. I have another snap over here. You can see the snap there. And if I want to take that off, put that back on. And that keeps the light out. When I have this completely closed, nobody knows I'm back here. It is a very good way of keeping the light out and making sure nobody knows I'm in the back. I could be just parked and walking somewhere, or I could be in the back of the van. So I have found this kit very useful, and I will link it in the description down below if you're interested. And again, thank you all for being here, watching my videos, sharing my videos, and showing up to my live streams for trivia. I love to get to know you guys in trivia. It is such a blast to have everybody come and participate in my channel. You guys really keep me going. So, safe travels, enjoy your day, And I look forward to seeing you at a